name's Dylan Livingston, performance technician at National Speed in Wilmington. So before I came to National Speed, I was at the Mercedes-Benz plant in Alabama, basically working on brand new cars, fixing production issues, things like that. Before that, worked at independent shops, worked at a used car dealership for some time, started out at my uncle's shop, spent about 8 years there, kind of honing my skills, and now I'm here. National Speed's kind of the dream job as technician, just doing fun stuff all the time, making horsepower, making cars go fast, loud. That's what it's all about. Of course, I always like the Mopars. Take a Hellcat, put a pulley on it, and headers, be making 800 plus horsepower, just like that. So those are a lot of fun. We have a good variety here, and I enjoyed the challenges of each of them. Yeah, I've always enjoyed kind of just the process of identifying how things work, and then with that understanding, kind of applying it to determine faults in different systems, and going through the process of figuring out problems and fixing things is really enjoyable to me. So not so much with relationships, but just kidding. I used to enjoy woodworking. Made my own furniture and different things, made gifts for folks. I enjoy making, fixing, all kinds of things, just working with my hands.